Wow, this is so beautiful. Now I have my very own little house. Whoa, what a fancy place. Now it's mine. What? Hey, move away from my house. I'm not giving it up that easily. Then we'll just split it in half. Yeah, not happening. Oh, wow. This turned out so cool. Your house can't even compare to mine. Ooh, I'll prove it too.
Yes!
Wow, it's actually really cool.
Got this feeling in my chest. Heart is beating, can't take rest. Move my body, feel so free. This is me, this is me. Every step I take makes me feel alive. Every move I make helps me come to life. This is my dance.
What? This is just unbelievable. You will definitely never have a roof this shiny. Are you sure about that? My house totally shines. Don't get too confident. I'll come up with something else. Oh, got it. I know what'll help. Oh, yes, that's perfect. Just need to collect a little more paint. Perfect. Now I can start with the color. It's gonna be bright and amazing. Wow, this is exactly how I imagined it. Whoa, that looks cool. Ooh, I just got started. Troom, trick. Now let's add details. Oh, yes. Hiya. So, wow, this turned out amazing. I really love it. Whee! Yeah, not bad at all. So, are you ready for the test? Let's check how idle-ready your house really is. Okay. Now let's scan mine. And what are the results? What? I can't believe she's beating me. Really? I already knew that. Alright, I need to win. But how? Oh, I got an idea. Yes! I hope this works. Sorry, baby. This is for the win. Troom, trick. Oh, yes! It's working. What is that thing? Maybe I went a little overboard. Yikes! So huge! Don't come any closer. Down! Whoa! That's wild. Hey, guys, my roof is literally a piano now. How do you like that? Huh? Already dinner time. Maybe we should grab a snack. I'm so in. Troom, trick. I'll be right back. Looks like everything's still here. Oh, exactly what I needed. Soda. Let's play. Ignored completely. Hey. Here, baby Saja. Can I please have your autograph? Please sign here. Sure, I never say no to fans. Are you happy now? Yep, thanks. Now, sign my bowl too. Sure. Here you go. Wait, half food? Awesome. And now, my poster. Am I signing everything forever? No, this one is a gift. A gift? Oh, thank you. But I wouldn't say no to some ramen. Of course, anything for you. I just need a minute. Special ramen for the #1 Saja Boys idol. Huntrix. What's this? What do you mean, what's this? Ramen, of course. Fair enough. Troom, trick. See you soon. And I'm back. And I'm not alone.
Hey! Whoa.
Boo! Don't scare me like that. Ramen. Oh, yes. And my kettle just boiled. Let's add water to the noodles. Ooh, is it ready? We'll find out in a second. Okay then, enjoy. Delicious. I love ramen. So yummy. Wait, window! I totally forgot. Maybe I can come up with something? I got an idea. I'll cut out the Huntrix logo. And now we split it in half. Perfect. Lend me that for a sec. I need to do something. Ooh, perfect. I'll time it. Thanks, but please hurry. Whoa, this turned out so good. I can't wait to put this on my window. So, what do you think of my window now? Cool, huh? Wow, it's actually really cool. I wouldn't mind a window decoration for my house, too. I think I know what to do. Thanks, fans! Hey, Rumi, can I borrow this sword? Oh, that one? Here. Perfect. And this is for you. What are you planning to do? Just stand still. Hi-ya! Hi-ya! What? Oh no! Oops, thanks. You owe me a jacket after this. And take this. Sorry, I didn't mean to. But hey, the window looks awesome now. Something's still missing. Oh, I have an idea. Time to finally get rid of this baby bib. Ooh, it's too small. Wait, I know how to fix this. Just a little creativity, and it'll be perfect. We'll cut a half circle out of felt.
Yeah.
Now let's add the missing details. Even Rumi's gonna be jealous of this.
Yeah.
And of course, we need stars.
Oh.
Perfect! Now we can stick them onto my piece. And we can't forget the heart. Trim trick and done. Just perfect. Okay, now the most important part. Baby! Amazing.
Yeah.
Now I just need the letters. B-A-B-Y. Perfect! I love it. Hey, look, Rumi, look. What do you think? Ooh, not bad at all. That gave me an idea. Let's go. Get ready. I'm coming. Troom trick. Perfect. Now back. Wow, this turned out even better than I imagined. It looks amazing. Now I have a brand new door. Now it feels way cozier. Baby, do you like it? Whoa, now I want a door too. But how do I make one? I got it! Genius! Oh yeah, I'll need a sweater. Perfect. Now let's customize it a little. Trim trick. There. And now we add some cuteness. And now we need a cover. Stretch it out. There we go.
Whoa.
Okay, now we'll add mosaic. Ta-da! The door is ready.
Yeah.
Oh, that door is awesome. But wait. The house is great, but the yard is empty. I need to make a little garden. I have an idea. Watch the house for me. I'll be right back. Perfect. I'll stay here and enjoy my house for a bit. Okay, I'm back. Whoa, hi. I was just coming to see you. Oh, Rumi, I'm your fan. Oh no, wrong poster. Sorry. Oh, that's so sweet. But I'm actually here for a reason. Oh, these speakers. I need them. Can I borrow them? Rumi. What? You again? Stay away. I don't care about you. Hey, Derpy, I'll take those speakers, right? You're not gonna say no. I can even pay. Sorry, but Rumi asked first. That's right. Oh, really? You'll regret that. Then I'll show you my real power. Hey, no whistling indoors. Wait, I can't move. That means you can't stop me. The speakers are mine now. Oh, no. I need to break free. This is my chance. What? You're gonna fight me with a ball of yarn? Meow. Huh? The yarn is mine. My strength is coming back. Yes. Hey, Derpy, I'm buying the speakers. Money's on the counter. Deal, they're yours. Thanks for the ball. Awesome. Okay, let's go. Ooh, they're heavy. Look what we've got now. Cool, huh? Speakers? That's awesome. Let me help. I've always wanted to try this thing. Whoa! Where did you even get that crane? I want one too! My fans gave it to me. And step back a little. There you go. This is so cool. Thank you so much. You're the best. Oh, can I have a controller too? A controller? Sure, take it. Thank you. I need it for my secret combo. Troom trick. Whoa, I didn't know you could do that. Want to taste the speakers now? Oh yes, great idea. Let's go.
Take me higher, set my soul on fire, fire. 이 맘이 끝나지 않길 바래. Take me higher until we're tired, tired. 영원히 계속 것만 같아. Feels like it lasts forever.
Wow, that was incredible. Oh yes. I think it worked great. And I need this too. And I'll need this too. Now, Troom trick. Ooh, the power of music. Wow, that turned out amazing. Now I can decorate the fence with music notes. Now this looks like a real symphony. Total banger. Whoa, it looks fantastic. But wait, how do I decorate my house now? I already have so much stuff, there's barely any space left. Actually, wait, I know. Let's add even more color. Oh yes, Huntrix forever. Now what, Saja boy? Speechless? What? Nothing. Just beat you again. Oh yeah? Maybe I should work on my attic next. Oh, I got an idea. I need some air clay. I love this stuff. Such a stress reliever. Okay, but seriously now. I can't let Rumi's house look cooler than mine. Oh yes, it's almost ready. Saja Boys' house, but the sign needs to be bigger. Let's fix that now. Yes!
Yeah.
Perfect. Now that's a real idol house. Mine's still cooler. We can test that. Let my K-pop scanner decide whose house is better. Okay, scanning yours now. Ooh, just look at those results.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yes, just a tiny bit more to finish it. What else can I add to my house? Oh no! How could I forget the fence? Wait a second, someone's calling me. Rumi, where are you? We can't start the concert without you. Hurry! Oh, right! I need to go. Where's the stage? Oh, help me get there, please. No problem. Take the portal. Whoa, thank you. You're the best. I gotta go.
Yeah.
Do you like the video? Like it, write a comment, and click on the bell to stay updated.